All right, everybody is fed. The sun is almost up over the trees, and I am trudging through deep snow to take a quick breeze over to the woods. Those things over here. Oh, looks like Bailey's coming with. He can hardly get through. This is the kind of snow where we do indeed lose Sophie, so I'm glad she decided not to come. Obviously, we don't do any snow removal back here. And I'm not going far because I'm already exhausted just trying to get this far. I need cross-country skis or snowshoes. Doesn't bother Tonka in the least. But I wanted to get this shot over here because despite it all, and I keep saying this, but it's beautiful. It really is. What happened to create this effect is really essentially 3 different storm systems. So we had snow on Saturday that stopped. That snow froze a bit overnight, but it wasn't terrible. Then we had snow on Sunday, and that snow was a bit wetter. And in fact, toward the evening, so there were 2 storms Sunday. There was Sunday morning storm that dropped about 2 inches of snow, and Sunday evening storm, which dropped about another inch-ish. Hard to say because that was wetter, almost sleet, rain, not as much actual accumulating snow. But that wet yuck froze up. Here comes the beast. He is loving tearing through this. So Sunday night's wet, heavy, yuck snow is what has created sort of this effect of everything stuck everywhere. Every branch, every leaf, everything has a layer of snow coated in a layer of ice, then coated in another layer of snow. And it got well below freezing last night, Sunday night. So all of that wet snow froze. And then we got a little bit more snow on top of that. So we had snow, wet snow/rain, ice, snow, and now you have today. It doesn't happen that often in New Jersey anymore. I remember days where like this was our whole winter days. I remember years where this, look at him, he is a snowball. He is a face full of snow. Tonka, look at me. Tonka, there you go. I remember years where, you know, like this was what it looked like from November all the way through to March. We don't get that anymore. Not that I'm complaining about that. It tends to just come in bursts. It's unfortunate that this burst is going to stick around for a while because it's going to get miserable cold. It already is miserable cold. And it's going to stay well below freezing. So, you know, freezing in Fahrenheit, 32. We're going to get to highs in the 20s Fahrenheit. So, you know, well below freezing. And it's going to stay that way for days on end. So we'll get it all cleared up again today, at least in terms of the driveway, paths to the pasture, so that I'm not trudging through, you know, a half a foot of snow. But chores this morning were kind of no fun other than the beauty. And that's really just what I wanted to show. We'll take a stroll over to the hayfield next. And then I need to head inside because I'm frozen. I hope you're all having a fabulous day. I hope you're enjoying a little bit of the beautiful scenery that we've got. And, you know, hey, if you've got snow like we do, treat it like Bailey and Tonka. Have some fun. I'll see you at the next one. Bye for now.